Morning, Stevie.
Alright, Ted.
So, what's the morning report?
Well, it's collection week, so we are off to Joe to collect a PR602 in SG19. Who knows where SG19 is? And then after that, we're on the way to Headcorn Aerodrome. To collect a PR670 that we supplied. Joe's a new customer, but this girl, Julia,
I remember delivering it.
Symbiosis Suits. We supplied it a few years ago, so this is its first service. And she's based in Kent at Headcorn Aerodrome, where in about 2000, I've been trying to think this morning, I think it's about the year 2000, me and Dad flew our plane, Echo Charlie.
Those magnificent men in their flying machines, they go up to the up, they go down to the up.
To Headcorn Aerodrome and refueled it. It was a popular aerodrome if you were coming from the northwest to land in the southeast and refuel on your way to France. And we flew from there, we refueled and flew from there to the 2K in France. In our Cessna 172 in about the year 2000.
Nice.
Yeah, so we're going back there today to Headcorn Aerodrome.
Well done, Stevie. myself, Stevie, we're at Headcorn.
Aerodrome.
That's it.
Just before the channel. As I said this morning, this is where, if you're flying from the north of England, you land here. It's the last aerodrome in the south east before the channel. So you land here and refuel. That's what me and Dad did when we went to France, and we filled the tanks up and off we went. So we just come here to Symbiosis Suits, which is based on the airfield. A lot of these little airfields have got little businesses on. And we picked up a PR670, which once upon a time was one of our lease machines.
Yeah.
That's full service, new needle threader, the white thread pulling through to the top, both of which should be taken care of with the service. And as you can see behind it there, we've got a PR600 Mark II, which we picked up this morning from SY11? SG. Anyway, it
from
was
Joe.
Southeast of Birmingham.
Yeah, lovely lady.
Sort of just north of Northampton area. We just put the postcode in nowadays and follow the sat nav to it without knowing where we're going. Yeah, so that's been our trip today. We're off back to the shop in Manchester now.
Yeah, nice one, Stevie. Nicely packed in. Cheers, Stevie.
Okay.